how to add your home location on Google Maps. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So once you're here in Google Maps, what you want to do now is you just simply click on U right here, or the save button right here in the middle at the bottom of your screen. And then once you're here, what you want to do now is to just simply go to labeled. So just click on labeled right there. From here, what you can do now is to just set your home address right here. So just click on home, and then you can either just type your home address right here manually, or you can choose one on the map or choose from your contacts. For me, I'll just choose on the map. So I'll just click on choose on map right here. And then from here, what you want to do now is to just simply select the part of the map in where your home location is. So for example, I'll just set one right here. There you go. And then once you're done pinning your location, just click on OK right here at the bottom. There you go. And then just click on done. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add your home location on Google Maps.